Let's get out of here. Where are you at? Logan.
Once you cross the river, you can make your way up through the taro patches until you get up steep enough where you're going to intersect with the trail on that side.
Okay.
If you cross the river and then find the trail right across there.
For finding us in the woods.
Right, yeah.
Did this one? Is that literally a dead body or what? He looked mad because he thought we were trespassing, but then we were like, we're with Kalani. I need to cross the river, bro.
How the fuck did you do that?
I don't know if we should have crossed when we did, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta keep mushing, bro. Oh my God. There's no way. They said do not come to Molokai, but so far, it's my favorite island. Right?